Welcome to this video on the future of work, how AI tools are changing the game. Artificial intelligence has been making significant strides in recent years, and its impact on the workforce is undeniable. From chatbots and voice assistants to machine learning and predictive analytics, AI is transforming the way we work, the skills required to succeed, and the challenges we face. In this video, we'll explore the impact of AI on the future of work, discuss the AI tools that are revolutionizing the workplace, and examine the benefits and challenges of integrating AI into work processes. We'll also look at how AI is transforming jobs and skills in the workplace, and how employees and businesses can prepare for the future of work. Finally, we'll examine the ethical considerations of AI in the workplace, explore real-world examples of AI-driven work processes, and speculate on the future possibilities of AI in the workplace. So, let's dive in and explore the exciting world of AI and the future of work. Understanding the impact of AI on the future of work. Artificial intelligence (AI) is transforming the future of work by automating repetitive tasks, enabling better decision-making, and augmenting human capabilities. AI is expected to have a significant impact on the job market, with some jobs being automated and new jobs emerging in fields like data science, engineering, and cybersecurity. The impact of AI on the workforce is both positive and negative. On the one hand, AI can help businesses become more efficient, reduce costs and errors, and improve customer satisfaction. On the other hand, AI can lead to job displacement, create new ethical challenges, and require employees to learn new skills. AI tools that will revolutionize the workplace. AI tools are already revolutionizing the workplace by automating routine tasks, improving decision-making, and enabling new capabilities. Some AI tools that will revolutionize the workplace in the future include natural language processing, NLP, tools that can understand and respond to human language, such as chatbots and voice assistants. Robotic process automation, RPA, tools that automate repetitive, rules-based tasks, such as data entry, order processing, and invoice management. Machine learning, ML, tools that can analyze large data sets to identify patterns and make predictions, such as predictive analytics and fraud detection tools. Autonomous vehicles that have the potential to transform transportation and logistics industries. Augmented reality that can enhance training and collaboration in a variety of industries. The benefits and challenges of integrating AI into work processes. Integrating AI into work processes can offer many benefits, such as improved efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making. However, there are also challenges associated with integrating AI, such as ethical considerations, job displacement, and the need for specialized skills and training. The benefits of AI integration include the ability to automate routine tasks, which frees up employees to focus on more complex and creative work. The challenges include the need for employees to learn new skills to work with AI-driven processes and the potential for bias in AI tools. How AI is transforming jobs and skills in the workplace. AI is transforming the types of jobs available and the skills required to succeed in them. Routine tasks are increasingly being automated, and new jobs are emerging in fields like data science, engineering, and cybersecurity. The skills required to succeed in the future of work include analytical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. AI is also augmenting human capabilities, enabling employees to work more efficiently and make better decisions. However, this requires employees to learn new technical skills, such as how to work with AI tools, and develop soft skills, such as communication and collaboration. Preparing for the future of work, reskilling and adaptation. Preparing for the future of work requires reskilling and adapting to new technologies and processes. Employees and businesses need to embrace continuous learning and develop new skills and competencies to stay relevant in the job market. Reskilling and adaptation can include learning new technical skills, such as how to work with AI tools, and developing soft skills, such as communication and collaboration. Companies can support their employees in this process by offering training programs and creating a culture of continuous learning. Ethical considerations for AI in the workplace. AI raises several ethical considerations that must be addressed in the workplace. These include issues such as bias, privacy, and the need for transparency and accountability. The potential for bias in AI tools can perpetuate discrimination and inequality. The need to protect employee data and privacy is also essential, as AI requires access to large amounts of data to be effective. Transparency and accountability are also crucial, as AI decisions can have significant impacts on employees and customers. Real-world examples of AI-driven work processes and their results. AI-driven work processes are already being used in various industries to improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making. Examples of AI-driven work processes include predictive maintenance, which uses machine learning tools to identify potential equipment failures before they occur, and fraud detection, which uses AI to identify patterns of fraudulent activity. The results of AI-driven work processes can be significant, such as increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. However, they also pose challenges such as job displacement and ethical considerations. Exploring the future possibilities of AI in the workplace. AI is expected to have a significant impact on the job market in the coming years, with new technologies and capabilities emerging. Exploring the future possibilities of AI in the workplace can help businesses and employees prepare for the changes ahead. Emerging trends and technologies include autonomous vehicles, which have the potential to transform transportation and logistics industries, and augmented reality, which can enhance training and collaboration in a variety of industries. However, these technologies also pose challenges such as ethical considerations and the need for specialized skills and training. The role of human collaboration in an AI-driven work environment. In an AI-driven work environment, human collaboration is essential to maximize the benefits of AI and minimize its negative impacts. AI can augment human capabilities, enabling employees to work more efficiently and make better decisions, but it cannot replace human creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills. Collaboration is crucial in developing and implementing AI-driven work processes that are ethical, transparent, and accountable. It also requires developing a culture of trust and collaboration between humans and machines, enabling employees to work effectively with AI tools. In conclusion, AI is transforming the future of work, and businesses and employees must be prepared to adapt. AI tools offer significant benefits, such as increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and cost savings, but they also pose challenges such as job displacement and ethical considerations. To navigate the future of work successfully, businesses and employees must embrace continuous learning and reskilling, develop a culture of trust and collaboration with AI tools, and address ethical considerations. By doing so, they can maximize the benefits of AI while minimizing its negative impacts and create a more efficient, innovative, and competitive workplace. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And activate the alerts button if you want to follow everything new in the world of artificial intelligence. Thank you. See you in a new video tutorial and have a nice day. Good.
Bye.